everyone, this is Anshika Singh and a very welcome to all of you to my channel Learn with Anshika Singh. So today I will gonna be start with how to use Next Learning platform. Next Learning platform को कैसे use करें. Many children are getting problem in this, that how to use it, how to attend the classes, how to submit the homework. Each and everything will be in this video. Okay, so watch it till end. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe to it. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Okay, so the first question comes how to attend your classes. So I will show you how to attend it, just a moment. Whatever time आपकी जो टीचर ने दिया है, according to that the teacher will start the lecture, but there is a problem with you to how to attend it. I'm here to solve your problem. Okay, so पहले तो whenever the time जो होगा तो उतने पे टीचर लेक्चर स्टार्ट कर देंगी. इज इट राइट? यस. तो जब वो स्टार्ट करेंगी सो इट विल लुक दिस सर्फेस, होल सर्फेस विल कम and in this you have to check this full column. Okay, schedule 1, or if you are on PC then live classes would be there. So we are on the mobile firstly. So attend is visible over here to you. Okay, if scheduled is written, so then the teacher has not started yet, but if attend is written it means that the teacher has started and you need to click and start it. Okay, so just click on attend. After that this type of screen will come in which English, tenses, whatever the topic teacher has chosen, and the subject name will be look to you like this. Okay, and now the lecture has started just 5 minutes ago. 10 are online, which means 10 children have joined the lecture. So why will you wait now? Just go and join. जल्दी से join कीजिए. मीन्स आपकी टीचर का लेक्चर, मेरा नहीं. हाँ, सो ज्वाइन नाउ पे क्लिक करेंगे. ऑन दिस वन, ज्वाइन नाउ, क्लिक ऑन इट. For some security reasons I have hidden the school name and the teacher's ID. Okay, so when you will start this, so it will means when you will click on join now, so it will take a few seconds, कुछ time लेगा, 1 to 2 minutes, or depending upon your network speed it will come. Speed network की अच्छी होनी चाहिए, then only you can use this app. So, then you can see some icons over here. Let me explain all of them one by one to you. So the first icon which I have is this one. Over here some comment type of option is there. So this means the live comment, comment box type लाइव कमेंट, जिसमें आप कमेंट्स करके अपने डाउट्स, अपने क्वेश्चंस, अपनी क्वेरीज, अपनी हाय, हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग मैम, बाय मैम, एवरीथिंग यू कैन राइट. Okay, so like that, let me open live chat. Like as you can see here, one girl has did the message good morning ma'am. Okay, so like that only live chat option is there. Means if you don't know, so there is live chat written also. So when you click over here, so you can just click on it, type the message and send this by this icon. Okay, then we have the raise hand feature, this one. So by this like बहुत सारे ऐप्स है स्टडी के, तो वैसे आपके लाइव क्लासेस के जो आपके स्कूल ने चूज़ किया हो, तो जैसे पहले हमारे यहाँ देयर वाज गूगल मीट. दैट ऐप देयर इज़ कि आप माइक खोल सकते हैं और बोल सकते हैं, एवरीवन विल हियर द वॉइस. बट इन दिस ऐप देयर इज़ अ फीचर कि आप कुछ भी बोलो, आपकी वॉइस नहीं जाएगी जब तक आप रेज हैंड करके टीचर आपको लाइव स्ट्रीम में नहीं लेगी. इट्स रियली डिफ़िकल्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, फर्स्टली मुझे लगा था कि माइक खोलूँ, मैम को आवाज़ जाएगी, बट मैम वॉज नॉट एबल टू लिसन मी. देन शी टोल्ड मी द रेज हैंड फीचर. आई रेज्ड माई हैंड एंड देन शी टुक मी ऑन द लाइव स्ट्रीम. जब मैं लाइव आई तब शी कैन हेयर मी. ओके, सो लाइव इसमें जब आप अपना इसी को क्लिक करेंगे, लेट मी शो यू. You will click on this ना, then it will become grey. ये ग्रे हो जाएगा, तब समझ जाना कि आपका रेज हैंड हो गया है. Then teacher will pick you up. She will put on live stream. Then we have our switch camera. So if you want to show any project, any craft work, anything you want to show to the teacher, or any copy work, whatever there is, whatever the teacher says you to show, जो भी शो करना है, if you want to switch the camera, अगर कैमरा स्विच करके दिखाना है, then you need to click on this option. Okay, then we have the mic option. When you are on the live stream, click on this, it will off. Click on the means जब ये ग्रे हो जाए तो समझ जाना ऑफ है, जब ये ग्रीन रहे तो समझ जाना ऑन है. Like there's only there is the camera option. So जब ये कैमरा ओपन करोगे, so it will mainly be the front camera. स्विच करना है तो I told you this option is the best. Okay, and this camera option again, जब ये ग्रे होगा, then understood that it is off. If it is green, it is on. Then there is this option of participants list. इसमें you can see how much of children are there, out of what, and who means कौन है, who is there in the class. And this is the information one, it is not so necessary. Means इसमें सारी details हैं, so you can check once by clicking on it. Top right corner you can see this big, you can see this cross, okay, at the top right corner. Just check in whenever you are doing the class. So if you want to leave the class by some issues, or you want to leave, then you can do by this. It will come that you want to leave the lecture, so you can click on yes if you want, and no if you don't want. Okay, then let's move to the next one. There is a problem of how to check your recorded class. It is so simple. यहाँ पे you can see schedule for today. Okay, so today's class, as all of them are over of mine, so it is written over here view. So whatever, कोई भी lecture, कुछ कुछ नहीं होते हैं record, कुछ कुछ हो जाते हैं. So whatever lecture is recorded, click on view. Like I am clicking on English. Wait, it's not done. Any other? Like this, physics one. When I have clicked on physics, it is shown like this. Like this is the F, another one. Okay, so like this only you can click, and you can click on this icon, this play button icon, and the video will start playing. Autoplay option, what is it? When one video will be closed, means if any problem is there, so 2-3 videos are made of the teachers, no problem in that. Autoplay will do that, the video will move, video चलेगी, when it will be जब वो ended, when it will be ended, then another video will be opened automatically. If you wanna open it, open it. If you wanna close it, just close it. I wanna open it, and I will suggest that also. If you wanna check the class of other days, so you can click on the like this, these two icons. This will get back the date, 23 June, 22 June, all like that. Okay. Then there are the school courses. In this, whatever lectures are recorded, that will be there. No other thing is there. You can just click and check. Assessment center, there will be some videos if you click on it in the school corner. Let it open. So assessment center is opened like this. You can see the videos of chapter 1 to whatever are there. Some chapters are not there, as over here it has been set as CBSE, but my board is ICSE still. It is showing. So whatever chapter you feel like to check, you can check. If in any you are getting the problem. Then there is the attendance. It is very nice. This app I like the most, as attendance option is there. You can check the attendance by yourself. Like this, you can see whatever present is there. Absent, my 10 are there, because in mid our summer camp was going on Google Meet, so that I was not attending over here as no class was there, so that it's showing. Don't mind it. Then the next one is calendar. It's not so important to open it. You can just check the calendar of the Day view is there of the particular day, week view, and the month view. You can check the calendar also. Messages, in messages there are SMS, email, and notification. Notification, the simple type is not to go from over here, but you can also check the notification from here of your classes. And I will tell you how to manage your notification also. If you have not managed it in the starting, click on this notification one. It's opening, and then so many of lectures are there. I have not opened it, so it is 91. Oh my god. Examination is there in this. The report card is mentioned. If any teacher has means uploaded the report card, it will be there of yours. Then there is the fee. In the fee payment and transaction history is there. It's your personal data, so I will also not open my data. Home page is this, and when you open the homework page, this one, then what will come? Let me tell you. When you open the homework page, this type of interface comes, in which past homeworks and whatever homeworks are there, if you have missed, then this icon will show. If it is still there, then this alarm icon will show. Yeah, so like I have to submit this, but my copy is submitted. So from here, like, you will click on this, add files here to submit. Wait. When you click on this, so you will get to the documents, your full internal storage and whatever cards you're having. So you will select the document as only PDF is allowed. So you will make a PDF of your work and then you will upload. Okay, and like that only many homeworks are there, you can upload. Exam corner, in this, if the school has said that the examination will be there, so in this the exam will be done. And practice sheets, if the teacher has uploaded, it will come here. Practice test. Okay, then there's the quizzer. In this you can play very nice quizzes. I have also played many of them. So it is showing 176 points. Choose subject. In this you can choose any of the 5 subjects, as they are the most important. I think so, 5 subjects. Okay, then there is the next Gurukul. In this, mainly the videos will be there of different subjects like this, and you can just open it and watch. So this page will open of your personal data. In this, achievements are there, change password is there, manage devices is there, fact means help, contact support again that, and log out means आप log out भी हो सकते हो, okay, from your ID. To change password, in this, firstly you need to enter your existing password, means your password अभी चल रहा है. If you wanna change your password, then मतलब अगर change करना है तभी आप ये option पे click कीजिएगा. ओके सर, फिर उसके बाद existing password लिखने के बाद I don't want to change it, so I'm just telling you from my mouth. Just listen very carefully. Okay, sorry for that. One call was coming. Submit it, then write the confirm password, new password. Okay, after that it will be done. So I think so I've told each and everything to you all. App, right? So thank you everyone. Please subscribe. Bye bye.